Alright, another video off the food trailer. You know, got more of it done today. You know, but I'm out of lumber. That was my lumber pile right there. I'm out of lumber, out of timber, and out of funds to do anything else to it. So until I get more funds for it, I am done. Until then, you know. And I gotta say, you know, it's gonna be bigger inside than what than what it seems, you know. Stuck with studs like every foot, which actually made them like every 10 inches because of the thickness of the wood. That was a mistake, you know. I should have stuck silicone on the bottom boards. So since I didn't do that, I'm gonna have to caulk the floor on the inside and outside. That way water don't come in it and stuff, you know. It's literally gonna take another $600 to finish this thing. But it is what it is. It's about $600 more and it will be completely done. And I did this to myself today. That on my leg. I got messed up there. The whole wall came down on me, hit on the knee, and then bounced down and landed on that and slid down my leg. This back one here did it. This one right here. I'm even out of screws. And yeah, I'm out of screws, I'm out of lumber, and gotta come up with more money to buy more lumber, more screws to finish it. Okay, that's all. I just wanted to make another video about it, let people know what was going on with it. Alright, love all y'all. Man, I would appreciate it if you like, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my videos yet, I would really appreciate it if you did. I'm only at 30 subscribers. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I can start making some money off YouTube to help fund this food truck. Alright, thank y'all, love y'all, have a good night. Bye.